Hey, this is Mark, and today I've got an iPad Air that uh, is charging, but only when the cable is held at a certain angle. And the cable is loose in the port, so this should be just a straightforward replace the port and it's done. All right, so I'm going to go over all of these joints with some leaded solder to make them come off a little easier. And there we go. Now I'm just going to tin these pads up with some fresh leaded solder. Ah. And this pad's a little bit loose. So we're going to try not to lose him, but if we do, not a big deal. You can see he's ground. We got a bunch of grounds. They're all interconnected. So losing one really doesn't matter that much. On this pad, I got a little bit more solder than I wanted, just to even that out. And now we've lost that ground pad. Again, really doesn't matter. Now, I don't really care how little or how much solder I leave behind on the tops of these pads, because really the joint that I'm making is underneath the flex. But I do want to avoid leaving any sharp points sticking up that could potentially poke through the tape that's going to go over this that insulates it from the frame. So that's good. I got no sharp points sticking up. That's all I really care about. All right. This should be good to go. Oh man, just noticed how dirty my nails are. I just came in from doing some weeding in the garden. Probably should have cleaned the nails out before I recorded. Whoops. All right, where's the Here is the housing. Don't need to hook everything up. I just need to get this connected to the battery and see if we're charging. Yep, pulling 1.7 amps. So this one is good to go. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.